What's up guys, this is AVT Philippines and again I'm going to unbox another multimedia car accessory that fit for a car entertainment avid like you. In 3, 2, 1. And here it is, the AVT CH9020 multimedia monitor for your headrest. Tara, buksan na natin! Eto guys, I will show you real quick. As I mentioned earlier, this is another multimedia product from AVT. As you can see, hindi siya headrest like the previous video icon CRH-755, and this one is clip type. All you have to do is clip this CH9020 to your stock headrest and voila! Your multimedia screen is ready. Enjoy manood dito guys, for it has 9 inches widescreen display. Ayos na ayos. Meron din itong audio out para sa earphone or headphone for standalone watching. See, your passenger will never be bored on the road kapag meron ka neto. Ox to sa gala with friends, tropa, and syempre with family. Alright, that's our unboxing video for today. If you want to be updated for upcoming video, please do subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon for notification, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Again, this is AVT Philippines and see you on the next one.